right, and here we go. All right, so you can see my screen, Josh? Everything. Oh, you're not even sharing it. All right, let me do this quickly. Explain to myself. So easily, we're looking for the highs. I mean, that's clear as day. I mean, that's the clearest. I mean, the high is literally like right there. We gapped up during the week, which shows strength. You feel me? Look at the gap. This is a very noticeable gap. On top of that, this is an inversion fair value gap right here. You see this fair value? We flipped that as well. And on top of that, you see this wick? Yeah, this wick, that's the halfway point of the wick. You see the bodies are just under. If we close above that, we're definitely going for this, and then we're going to go for that high. At least minimum this high. So I am not gonna touch. I am not gonna sell. I'm not gonna take a trade, right? Until either we could create a bearish fair value gap, but I am not gonna sell whatsoever. I'm waiting for the flip. Or if we get a bullish one, then I'll just get a line with the bullish one. But I am not gonna sell whatsoever. As long as these highs are still intact, I'm not gonna sell. So I'm gonna just wait it out. This is really what it is. It's really simple. See, price came down. You see, 15-minute fair value gap, respected. We're starting to move away from it. All right, and it's almost 9:30. Like it's okay if price wants to. Oh, so let me show you. This is like another. Is a 5-minute fair value gap, like right here. This is a fair value gap right there. Look at that 5-minute one. See, we're already starting to push up. If price wants to come down, that's fine. Price can come down a little bit. You know what I mean? Take some liquidity out. That's perfectly fine. But I am not gonna sell no matter what, bro. Like, either we get along or I don't take a trade. All right, now we just wait. It's 9:30. We gotta wait for a fair value gap, the first one to form. Otherwise, there's nothing to do. All right, so I'm gonna check after. This is fine. We could drop into here, come back into the fair value gap, and still try to come up into here. You feel me? Like, we'll just wait. That's all it is. We'll just wait. It's like 9:30 right now. Yeah, we'll wait. All right, Nico, come. This still can't be the first one. I mean, even if I'll look at the first fair value gap, but this, if we do create it, I fucking hate when that. I hate when I mean, technically fair value gap happens right on the 9:30 candle, bro. Then you gotta kind of deal with two fair value gaps, which I don't really like. Take a little more extra work, but it is what it is.
Where's John? No, I'm here. Oh, all right. Oh, there's a first fair value gap right there.
Yeah, I mean, it's not the first because the 9:30 candle is included, so it can't be the first. Remember, all the candle bodies, none of them should have 9:30 in it. I mean, it will be a fair value gap, but it won't be the first one after 9:30.
Oh, and that's why you're upset because it's such a big drop.
Yeah. Then you still have to like look at it. You know what I mean? But I'm not gonna use it to trade it. You know what I mean? So like it's like a little extra shit. You got to look at. But this probably will be a fair value gap right here. So I'm gonna just here to here. You gotta just deal with that. Oh, yeah, fuck, I can use this shit. All right, there we go. So this is a fair value gap, not the first one though. After 9:30. mean, this is fine. Like I said, price can drop. That, like, if anything, that's better for price. If you want price to go long, that's better. 'Cause now we're manipulating some niggas out right now. Some niggas definitely about to short. I guarantee niggas gonna short right now. I'm not gonna be a part of it. Even if it drops a lot, I'm not. I don't want to be a part of it. We're too close to the high for me to like. Oh yeah, let me start shorting.
It says it has liquidity up there, right?
Yeah, the major sell buy side liquidity, major buy side liquidity, and we're so close to it, bro. You know what I mean? We're literally like right there. So like, I don't think it's really smart to sell. If we take out the high, then we could kind of, oh, maybe we can sell, maybe. But even then, like, I might just like, if we take out the high and I don't get an entry, I might just be done. I might not even trade today. I'm just making like some money. Okay, we could flip this, but we still need the first one for regular to get printed. This is fine. If we flip this and then create another fair value gap, and then that would be the first one, then that's picture perfect right there. You feel me? That would be really nice. There's no news today, right? There's nothing today.
Yeah, it's no news today.
All right. Yeah, no, at this point I gotta just gotta wait. I got nothing to do. Ton of buy. There's a ton of equal, a ton of liquidity right here. Actually, it's a lot of equal highs. Yeah, sell side here, sell side here. This is a weekly, not a weekly. This is a wick, halfway point of the wick, and then this is the major buy side. So you just definitely love it real quick. All right, now we want to see a fair value gap. The first fair value gap. All right, this is what we're looking for. I mean, we didn't close above it, barely, but like it looks like it wants to close above it.
Think it can go fade above the daily high?
I don't know. I mean, I don't because there's really no. I mean, if it trades to the high, it'll probably go up above it like a little. But I don't know if it's gonna like continuously like keep trading above it. You know what I mean? So it's just because there's no news today, so I'm just not too sure if it wants to like keep trading above it. First thing is we still gotta wait for the fair. Like I said, I want price to trade above here and give us a first fair value gap. That's the first thing is first. That's the first thing we gotta see before at least before I do anything. I'm not doing anything at all until there's still no first fair value gap at all yet. So we're just waiting.
What if it trades above the first fair value gap? Would that give you a better confirmation?
But there is no first fair value gap. That's what I'm trying to say. There isn't.
You,
You mean like this one?
like, yeah, that.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it would, but I want to see that with a first fair value gap. So if we close above here, right, and then we create another fair value gap that would equal the first fair value, I would enter that right away, like no question, I would enter that. So I know if we create obviously like not like a really tiny like a regular, just like a regular. If we could create like a regular size decent fair value gap above here, that would really like be strong. At least in my opinion, be like a strong bullish thing, like bullet market structure, whatever the case is. Because what we open, we drop low into where into hold on, hold on. All right, so yeah, so we dropped into the 5 minute fair value gap, and then we're like hopefully like so. I mean, we get a little reaction, but still nothing that from this. This is still kind of like bearish. There's nothing like bullish in here just yet, but I'm waiting for it. That's why I'm trying to anticipate. I'm just waiting because we still didn't flip it yet. If you look, we still really haven't closed above the fair value gap at all yet. So it's nothing to still just waiting. Maybe at like 9:45. 9:45 is just like a little macro time. A lot of like setups happen. He's like at 9:45, or like a minute before, like a minute after, something like that. Make sure my shit is good. We have only risking $100. This hopefully it's a little slow right now. It's a little slow. First 10 minutes drop and
We got till 9:45.
yeah, that's what I'm waiting. Yeah, 9:45. It's okay. Price can drop. Like I said, I am not being a part of no sell right now, bro. Like if you want to be a part of that, fair, you could do that. I'm not. I'm gonna just stick to what what I want to see. Since like I might like I said, I might be trading my other accounts. If I don't see exactly what I want, I am not gonna get in whatsoever, bro. Especially on the days with no news, bro. I am not testing these days out with no news. So I don't get exactly what I want. All right, coming down. You see, we got this liquidity right here. I got it marked out. Even I got to this is just the London lows. Always try to mark out London and Asian lows. Price loves to attack them, bro. This is like the first liquidity you see right here. This is the low at 418. It's the London low. So I mean, if price does want to go lower, we'll probably come here. We'll probably hit the London low, which is looking like it's about to do. Take this out, hit the London low, and we could actually create the first fair value gaps as well on this exact candle. Right, it just depends how we close. 5, 4, 3. Took out the London low, hit the halfway point of the 5 minute fair value gap, right? And listen. And there's really still no first fair value gap yet. So even if you wanted to sell, right, I mean, unless you sold into here, but that's I don't trade that shit. So yeah, it looks like this might be it right here actually. Like that, like that. Alright, so now we got this level right here. This is it's a wick on the daily. It's the halfway point of a wick on from a daily. If we close underneath here, this is 5 minute fair value gap right here. So if we're closing underneath here, we're probably gonna try to hit here. This is the wick. This is the wick of a daily. Halfway point of a wick on a daily chart.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you said what?
You said what?
Can you hear me through the chat? No, can you hear me through the chat?
No, I
No,
can't.
I can't.
The fuck?
No, it's not. It's
No,
me. It's
it's
not you.
me.
It's
It's
me.
not you.
It's
It's
like my
me.
AirPod.
Like
I
my
don't know. For
AirPod. I
some
don't
reason,
know.
every
For
time I
some reason,
connect
every
my
time I connect my
AirPods
AirPods
onto
onto
my computer, I
my
can't hear
computer, I
nothing
can't
from
hear
it.
nothing
But the
from
reason
it.
why I
But the
use
reason
it
why I
is
use
because
it is
I be
because
like live
I be like
streaming
live
and I can't
streaming
hear
and I
myself
can't hear
through my
myself through like
regular
my
computer
regular
mic.
computer mic.
So I use
Oh.
my
So I use my
AirPods mic so I
AirPods
can hear
mic so I
myself.
can hear myself.
Oh. Well, I could see on my iPad, I just can't hear anyone.
No, yeah, but
No,
that's the
yeah,
reason
but
why we're
that's
on
the
this
reason I
call,
wanted
John.
this call,
That's the
John.
reason why.
That's the reason why.
Yeah.
So now we're in the first
Now
minute
when
to
the
fair
first
value
minute to
gap
fair
right
value
now.
gap right now.
So
So
it's interesting.
it's
I'm
interesting.
interested to see
I'm
what
interested to
price
see
wants to
what
do.
price
If you
wants
want
to
to like
do. If you want to
reject
like
from it,
reject from it,
or if do
or
want
if
to flip
do
it,
want to
and
flip it,
we're in it.
we're in it.
So I am not
So
gonna
I am
sell
not
that
gonna
shit.
sell that
If it
shit.
drops, it
If it
drops,
drops,
but
it
I'm not
drops, but
getting in
I'm
that.
not getting in that.
This is a good
This is a
reaction. Yeah, this
good
is a
reaction.
really
This
good
is a really
reaction
good reaction
off of
off
selling.
of selling.
Let's see from
Let's see
here.
from
So we hit
here.
like
So we hit like
14,
14,
15.
15.
Okay, you get a couple more days. 18, 16.
16.
Right now, if
Right
you
now,
want to
if
see
you want
price
to see
closing
price
underneath
closing
here,
underneath here,
price wants to go
price wants
lower,
to
you
go
want to see
lower, you
price
want to see price
closing underneath
closing
here,
underneath here,
especially here as
especially
well.
here as
These will
well.
be the
These
two
will be
levels
the
to the
two
2 minute
levels
price wants to like at least
at
come
least
down into
come
here.
down into
This is
here.
there's really
There's
nothing. If
really
price
nothing.
closes
If price
underneath
closes
underneath here,
underneath here,
I can see price
I can
coming
see
all the way.
price
There's
coming all
really
the way. There's
nothing
really
stopping
nothing
price from
stopping
going
price from
lower.
going
So
lower. So
these two
these
would
two
be a
would be a
barrier if
barrier
price wants
if
to like
price wants to
go
like
higher.
go
But
higher.
if price wants to
But
keep
if price
going
wants
lower,
to keep
it
going
should,
lower, it should,
all we gotta do is
all
take
we gotta do
these
is
lows
take
that
these
close
lows that
underneath
close
them, and then
underneath them,
price
and
should
then
keep
price should
dropping.
keep dropping.
It is
It is
touching. This
touching.
is, I
This
don't know if
is
it
I don't know
touched
if
it.
it touched it.
I mean, it did.
I mean, it
So it
did.
touched the
So I
first
touched the first
gap again.
gap again.
Let's see what it wants to
Let's
do
see what it
from it.
wants to
If
do
it's
from it. If it's
accumulating more sell
accumulating more
orders,
sell orders,
that could be
that
happening.
could be happening.
Give it a little
Give it a little
stab
stab
to the halfway
to the
point.
halfway point.
If you're a seller,
If you're a
you want to
seller,
see
you want to
price
see
stay
price
underneath
stay
this and
underneath this and
keep pushing
keep
lower.
pushing lower.
Also in the 15
Also in the
minute
15-minute
favor, it's the same
favor, it's
15 minute
the
15 minute
same
favor.
15-minute favor you have here.
This is good.
This
Good
is
price
good. Good
action.
price
Actually, this is
action.
pretty good
Actually, this
price
is pretty
action.
good
Came
price
up here,
action. Came up
drop, came
here,
up here,
drop, came
drop,
up
came
here,
up here.
drop,
It
came up
took almost
here.
a
It took
drop
almost a
again.
drop.
Got
Again,
almost
it's
time.
almost time.
This is pretty good
This
price
is pretty good
action.
price
This is what you
action.
want to
This is
see
what
in
you
a
want to
fair
see
value
in a
gap.
fair
If
value
this
gap.
is
If this
you
is
buy, if you
you
want to take
buy,
a
if you
sell,
want
this
to
is
take a sell,
exactly
this
what you
is
want to
exactly what
see.
you want to see.
Okay, now we're gonna see if we
Okay,
can
now we're gonna
close
see if we can
underneath here.
close
If it's a
underneath here.
five
If it's
minute
a
fair value
5-minute
gap.
fair value gap.
So it's gonna show you.
So it's gonna show you.
this right here. I
It's
just
this right here. I
combined
just
both of them.
combined both of them.
These over here.
These over here. Both of them.
Let's see, price
Let's
was
see,
supposed
price
to
was
be
supposed to be underneath them.
What time is
It's
it? It's 9:48. Yeah, something like that. I mean, I'm just waiting. Like I said, it may not even give us. Like, I'm okay with
I'm
that.
okay
Like,
with
I'm
that.
actually good with that. I just want to put trades in. You see, exactly at 9:40. You see, exactly at 9:45. That's when price
That's when
dropped. You
price
see that?
dropped. See that?
Exactly.
Exactly.
That's when I left the
That's when I
fair
left
value
the
gap.
fair value gap.
I mean, another interesting. I mean, depending on how we close, if we can close underneath here and it leaves another fair value gap, that actually would not really be too bad of an entry. I'm not gonna lie, that would not be too bad of an entry. And
Is
I'm gonna set them
I'm gonna
top
set them
for the fair value gap.
fair value gap anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I said,
Like I
for
said,
price,
for
in my
price,
opinion, for price to keep going, we just need to,
we just need to,
price needs to
price
close
needs to
underneath
close
here.
underneath
Price wants
here.
to keep
Price
going
wants to
low.
keep going low, in my opinion.
Like I said, this is
So
the
this is
daily wick.
daily wick.
And if I want
And
price
if
to
I
go
want
lower,
price to go
I'd
lower,
honestly
I'd
want price to
honestly
close
want
above
price to
both
close
of them.
above both of them.
This and this.
And this.
That's what I would want.
That's what I would
This
want. This will
above both of them. Because it's the
above
same
both.
thing.
It's
If
the
you
same
close
thing. If
above
you close
officially
above
here
officially here,
and here, there's
and
nothing
here, there's
stopping
nothing
price from
stopping
going
price from
higher
going higher
until like kind of
until like
here.
kind of here.
But I could tell
But
this
I
is
can
gonna be
tell
a
this is
weak
going to
one.
be a
We
weak
already
one. We
traded this
already
level
traded this
multiple
level
times.
multiple times.
Like you see, like we
You see
traded
that
it
we
here
traded
like
it here
a few
like
times
a few
already.
times already.
So the price
So
would be
the
really
price
kind
will
of
be
weak
really
if
kind of
we
weak
can
if
get
we
up
can
to
get
that
up to
middle
that
one right
middle
there.
one right there.
All right,
All
come.
right,
You
come.
give us something
Give us
price to
something
work
price
with.
to work
Oh
with.
yeah,
Oh
oh
yeah,
yeah.
oh yeah.
There's still no
There's
close
still
yet.
no close yet.
See, the
You
body's
see, the
still
body's still
respecting the
respecting
halfway
the
point. See
halfway
the body
point.
right
See the
there.
body right
Still
there.
respecting
Still
it.
respecting it.
Still haven't really closed
Still
above
not
it.
close above it.
This is the way to move. But in my opinion,
In my
even if
opinion,
price go
even if
like the price should not
price should
have it
not
to be
have it
trade. I
to
mean,
be
like
traded. I
unless
mean,
it's just
like
like
unless
really
it's just really
choppy at the
choppy
moment.
at
But
the moment,
I
but
don't really like
I
when
don't
it
really
stays in the
like when it
fair
stays in
value
the
gap
fair
for
value
two.
gap
Like
for
how
two.
many
Like
times we hit
how
it?
many times we hit
Once,
it? Once,
twice,
twice,
3, 4, 5,
3, 4, 5,
6.
6.
We hit it so
We hit
many
it
times. I
so
don't like.
many
I don't
times.
really like
Like I
that
don't
either.
really
Like
like
we
that
hit it
either.
so
Like
many.
we hit it
Like I
so
want
many.
price
I
like
want price like
you know. If I wasn't a
if I
sell,
wasn't a
to
sell,
quickly start
quickly
getting
start
away from the fair value gap.
fair
You
value
want
gap.
price to
You want
start
price to
moving
start
away from
moving away from
the fair value
the
gap.
fair value gap.
Like, I don't really like
Yeah,
when
I
it's
don't
just
really
like
like when it's
stuck
just
in
like
here,
stuck
just
in
like
here,
just
just like
chopping
just
back and
chopping
coming
back
back.
and
I
coming
don't
back. I
like that.
don't like that.
Like we should hit
We
it and
should
then
hit it
boom,
and then
just
boom,
leave.
just leave.
See, actually we
See,
created.
actually, we created.
Okay, so this is
Okay,
something.
so
We
this is
created a
something. We created a
bullish. This is
bullish.
the
This
first
is the
bullish fair
first
value
bullish
gap
fair
I
value
actually
gap
got
I actually
created
got created
right here.
right here.
I know.
I
I see a lot of people
I
would
see a lot
actually
of people would
enter on
actually
this right
enter
here.
on this right here.
I got to see more
I got to see more
confirmation, but this is
confirmation,
like
but
at least
this
a
is
little
like at
sign.
least a little
See, we
sign.
created
See,
a little
we created a
bullish
little
fair value
bullish
gap.
fair value gap.
Still didn't flip the
Still didn't
first
flip
one
the
yet,
first one
which
yet,
is this
which
one,
is this one,
but we
but
created a
we
bullish
created a
one.
bullish one.
So still just
Still
waiting.
just
So
waiting. So
nothing to do.
nothing to do.
It's almost ten
It's almost
two.
10-2.
Maybe maybe like
Maybe
a little bit more
little bit more
opportunity.
opportunity. There it goes.
Still
Still,
prices just like at
prices
least the
just say at least the
bodies are
bodies
hovering
are
around the
hovering
halfway
around the
point.
halfway point.
It's a little messy
It's a
right
little
now.
messy right now.
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri.
Put a
Put
timer
a
at ten
timer at
fifteen.
10:15.
All right.
Alright.
Let's see if price
Let's see
about
if price
touches.
about touches.
We're above.
We're
Biggest
above.
strip
Like
right
it's
gap.
straight right gap.
Let's see if he wants to
Let's see if he
respect
wants to
it or just
respect it
flip
or
it.
just
So we
flip
can
it.
flip
So we
and
just flip and
go for here.
go for here.
That could happen
So
as
that could
well.
happen as well.
This is the
This is
exact
the
reason. This is
exact
why I
reason.
do
This is why I
not,
do not
not take this shit
not
right
take
here.
this shit right here.
We still haven't
We
hit
still
the
haven't
low
hit
yet,
the
but
low yet.
it's
It's it.
I mean, look like it's
And
about
then
to
look like
flip
it's
it.
about to flip it.
Yeah, look at the
I mean,
body
really, the
part.
body part of you really
Hugging
just
that
hugging that
halfway point.
halfway point.
Four, three,
4, 3, 2,
whatever
whatever
the
the
candle
candle
look like.
going right now.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
Yeah,
price
I mean, yeah,
does look
price
like
does
from here.
look
It
like
does
from
look like
here. It does
actually
look like
wants to
actually
go lower.
wants
I'm
to
not
go
gonna
lower.
lie. Like I said,
Like
I'm
I said,
looking at
I'm
here.
looking
That's
at
still
here. That's still all I'm looking at.
I know we're
I know
struggling
it's
to really
struggling to
crack
really
and close
crack and
above it.
close
Like we just
above it.
wick
Like we
it
just
and we're
wick it
staying.
and
The
we're
buyers are
staying. The
staying right
buyers are
at the
staying
halfway
right at the
point. So it
halfway
kind of
point.
does
So it
look
kind of
like
does look like
price does want to
price
drop.
does want to drop.
But like I said, I'm
Like I
gonna
said,
just sit on
I'm
the
gonna just sit in the
sidelines. I
sideline.
don't really
I
want to
don't really
get in.
want to get in.
Just do right now. This
Just
is
right
looking
now,
like a
this is looking like a
little
little,
choppy
little
right now.
choppy right now. Just looking a little choppy.
Even if you sold,
Even
this
if you
would be like
sold,
kind of
this would
like,
be like
ah,
kind of like,
shit,
ah,
came back
shit, came
down,
back
come back
down,
up.
come back up.
No,
No, it'll come back down a little bit.
we created
We created
another fair value
another
gap.
fair value gap.
We hit it here, but we
Yeah,
still haven't
but we
covered
still
it.
haven't covered it yet.
All right, there we
All
go.
right, there we go. Oh, there it goes.
There we go.
There we go.
So what could
What
actually be
could
a really good
actually
entry
be a
if
really good
prices
entry? If
obviously
prices obviously
go,
go,
ballistic and already
ballistic
trade
and
down
already
here.
trade
If price
down
comes
here.
back
If
into
price comes
here,
back
that
into
actually
here, that
wouldn't be
actually
that
wouldn't be
bad of
that bad of
a
like
trade
a
actually.
trade actually.
Fair
Fair
value
value
got
got fair
closing
value
underneath
got
this,
closing
closing
underneath
underneath this, and then we
and
have
then we
like a
have
down
like
gap.
a
Like
down
that
here.
actually
Like
wouldn't
that
be
actually would not be
a terrible
a
trade.
terrible trade.
I think it's just
I think it's just
where we just stop
we just
being.
start being.
You have like above
You have like
here,
above
gap it
here,
above
gap
here,
it
just
above
like
here,
how
just like
tight you
how
want just
tight
stop
you
to
want
be.
your stop to be.
If we close it
If we
into,
close into
Yeah, we got a few
We
minutes
had a few
till
minutes
10 as
till
well.
10 as well.
Kind of
Kind of
interested.
interested.
Might
Press to
tag this
might
before
tag this
10.
before 10.
I think it will.
Well,
All right, tagged
I
it.
tagged it.
Let's see if price
Let's
is
see
going
if
to
price
drop.
going to drop.
Look, you don't want to keep
You don't
hands
want to
off.
keep hands off. I don't want to trade this. So,
It's about to hit
it's about to
10.
hit 10. You know, 10.
I mean, it could
I
be
mean, it
volatile. It
could
could
be
actually
volatile. It could
drop
actually
price down
drop
on the
price
10.
down on the
It could
10.
do
It
that.
could do that.
I just don't want to
I
get
just
in
don't
there.
want to get in there right now.
I mean, if it does, then
If it
hey, then
does, then hey, then
this
this is this
hypothetical vehicle
hypothetical
trade.
vehicle trade.
Just don't want
This is
to
the
do
one
it.
I have to do.
Nobody wants to flip it.
You said what?
You said what?
It doesn't look like it wants to flip the fair value gap.
Sometimes it
Sometimes
happens
it
like
happens
later,
like
bro. You know
later,
what I
bro.
mean?
You know
Sometimes
what I
you
mean?
just have
Sometimes
to
you just
wait a
have
little
to
bit.
wait a little
You know what
bit.
I mean?
You know
Or
what I
you're
mean?
right. Sometimes you
You're
just
right.
want to
Sometimes you
like.
just want to
Sometimes you
like.
just.
Sometimes you just.
And if it happens, then
And
it
if
is
it
what it
happens,
is.
then it is what it is.
I'll just miss
I'll
out.
just miss out.
It is what it
It
is.
is what it is.
But even you
But
see,
even CC is kind of
it's kind of having a
it's kind
hard
of
time
having a
to
hard
drop.
time to
Really, you
drop.
can kind
Really,
of see
you
that.
can
Like
kind of
we're
see that. Like
going.
we're
I mean,
going. I mean,
hold on. Let me see.
hold on.
Let me
Let me
see.
see. Let me
Like,
see.
it's now it's
It's
10.
now
So
it's
it could
10.
happen.
So
Before I was having a hard
I
time
was
to
having a
drop,
hard
and then
time to
it
drop,
drops.
then it drops.
So let's see it.
So let's see it.
No, this.
Yeah, this.
It's not a. It's a good
It's a
reaction
good
right here.
reaction
Pretty
right
good
here.
reaction.
Pretty good reaction.
Because it was 10 could
Because it
give
was
it the
10 could give it the
volatility it needs to
volatility it
drop.
needs to drop.
Yeah.
Oh shit! It's dropping.
Here we go. This is like what
This is like
20
what
handles, I
20
think.
handles, I think.
Like
Oh, I see.
about like
Yeah.
20,
Like
19
20,
handles.
19 handles, something like that.
And from here, like if
From
we were
here,
to
like if we
enter
were to
hypothetical
enter
to here, we'd be
hypothetical
up
to here, we'd be up
20 handle-ish,
20
something like
handle-ish,
that.
something like that.
Because I would want more
I would want
speed,
more
and
speed and
velocity, bro.
velocity,
That's what I
bro.
would want.
That's what I would want.
It's not really
It's not really
giving it yet.
giving it
You
yet.
feel me? I don't know if
You
it could
feel me? I don't
happen
know if it could
soon, but
happen
not really
soon, but
giving
not
it.
really giving it.
I don't really see any
I don't really see
velocity
any
and speed.
velocity and speed.
When months have the best velocity and speed, like January, right?
No, it's just when there's
No, it's
news,
just when
bro.
there's news, bro.
Just news.
No, that's oh yeah, because today there's no
Yeah,
news, so that's why it's
that's why it's
That's
kind
why
of
it's
low.
kind of
Like
low.
that's why I
Yeah.
don't want to
That's why I
get
don't
in.
want to
Like if
get
this
in.
was
Like
no
if this
news,
was
right?
no
I
news,
probably
right?
would have
I
gotten in
probably would
here.
have
I'm not
gotten
gonna
in
lie. If
here. I'm
this
not
was
gonna
like
lie. If this was like
actually, if
actually,
there was
if there
even I
was
had a
even
bullet
I had a
bias,
bullet
at
bias,
least with news,
at
I
least with
could trust
news,
that
I
there'll
could
be some
trust that
type
there'll
of
be
like
some type of like
some type of
some type of
what's the word I'm looking for?
what's the
Volatility that would push
volatility that
price
would push
already
price
quick.
already
Like it would have
quick.
probably
Like it
already
would have
happened
probably already
already.
happened
Just
already.
kind of
It's just kind
create
of
another fair
create
value
another
gap.
fair value gap.
We'll see. It's just not
It's
happening
just
like
not
really
happening
quick.
like
It's just
really
going
quick.
down
It's
a
just
little
going
bit,
down a little bit,
coming back up,
coming
going
back
down a
up,
little
going
bit,
down a
coming back
little bit,
up,
coming back up.
like right here.
Right here.
This is actually not a
This is
really
actually not a
bad. It's like a
really
low
bad. It's like a
risk
low
sell
risk
actually,
sell actually.
because you would have a
Because
really
you would have
short
a really
stop.
short stop.
So you wouldn't even
So you wouldn't
need a
even
lot to get
need a lot to
profitable.
get profitable with this trade right here.
Yeah, like a one to one,
Like a
just
one to one,
some shit
just
like
some
this.
shit like this.
Yeah, but this is
This
I
is
would
like I said, I would not want to be on the trade at all.
some shit
Some
like
type
this,
of
bro.
shit like this.
Not really that
Not
cool.
really that cool.
A lot of
A lot of
chopping back and
chopping back
forward.
and forward.
Man, just go down, man. Go down already.
Yeah, like I
There's
said, there's no
like I said, there's no
velocity right now,
velocity right now,
bro.
bro.
No
There's
speed
no
in
speed
price.
in price.
I mean, like it's still
Like it's
bearish
still
actually.
bearish
It's just like I
actually. It's
said, it's
just
just
like I said, it's just
really,
really,
really moving
really
slow,
moving
bro.
slow,
But
bro.
it's still
But it's
bearish.
still bearish.
Like there's nothing
Like, there's
here that
nothing
looks
here that
bullish.
looks bullish. So you think it's bearish?
Yeah, it
Yeah,
definitely
it
is.
definitely is.
I mean,
I mean,
like what can I say? It's
what can I
bullish.
say?
At
It's
least with
bullet. At least with
from
from
nine
like from
thirty to
nine
now,
thirty to now,
from
from
here,
like from
right?
here,
From
right?
9:30
From
to
nine
here, this
thirty to
whole
here, this whole
entire price
entire
action
price
movement
action
is
movement is
bearish.
bearish.
But like I said,
But like I said, I
don't
don't
want
want
to
to
sell
sell
right
right
now.
now.
So
So
that's
that's
why
why
I'm
I'm
not in
not
the trade.
in the trade.
And there's no
And
news.
there's no news. So
I don't like if
I
I'm
don't
gonna
like if
enter
I'm
with
gonna
no
enter
news, it
with
has
no
to be
news. It has to
exactly
be
what I want.
exactly what I
If it's
want.
not that,
If it's
then
not
I'm not
that, then
gonna
I'm
pull
not
the
gonna
trigger.
pull the trigger.
Like I said, I could be dead
Because I could
wrong.
be
Like
dead
I mean, not
wrong.
even
Like I mean,
wrong. I
not
could
even
just
wrong.
not
I could just
be
not
in the price
be in the
action.
price action.
I'll
Like
be just
I'll
fine.
be
Like I'll
just
be
fine.
okay with
Like I'll
it.
be okay with it.
I just want to see
I just
my,
want to see my,
like if I take a
like if I
loss, I
take a
want to take a
loss, I want to
loss
take a
with
loss
with my
with my
bias. Like I'll be okay
bias.
with
Like
it.
I'll be okay
I don't want
with
to
it.
take a
I don't want
loss
to take a
trying to
loss
sell,
trying to
and then
sell, and then
the
like
price comes
the
back
price
up,
comes
and
back
then some
up, and
bullshit
then
or
some
whatever the
bullshit
case
or
is.
whatever the case is.
But it's like I said,
But it's
it's
like I
still
said, it's
bearish right
still
now.
bearish right now.
It's
It's just
taking forever to
taking
move
forever
down,
to
but it's
move
still
down, but it's
bearish.
still bearish.
But in the CD,
We're in the CD, we're in this small
see this
little,
fair
see
value
this
gap.
fair value
We were
gap. That's
trading
who we're
above.
trading above.
This one right here.
This one right here.
We're just stuck
We're
in it
just
right now.
stuck in it right now.
And then also there's
And then
this
also
one
there's
over here
this one
too.
over here too.
It's
See,
basically this is
basically
kind
this
of
is
like
kind of
related to
like
this fair
related to
value
this
gap.
fair value gap.
This is like all in
This is
one
like all
kind of.
in one kind of.
Like fuck,
Like
bro.
fuck,
It means the
bro.
time of
It
the
means
day
the
when
time
I'm
of the
looking
day
at
when I'm
price when
looking
there's
at
no
price when
news.
there's
That's
no
the day
news.
when
That's the
price
day when
moves. At least
price
it might
moves.
look
At
when
least I
price
might
is
look when
moving.
price
It'd
is
be
not
moving,
moving. It'd be
but the day I
moving.
want
But
to
the day
trade
I
it,
want to trade it.
it's fuck. All right,
All
here we
right,
go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
I
Let's see.
mean,
I mean,
I'm gonna touch this
we'll
fair
touch
value
this
gap for like
right
the
for
fifth
like
time
the
today.
fifth time today.
Yeah, I'll keep this
I'll
up.
keep this up. I'll keep this up. No, no, reverse. You think it reversed yet? Not
Nah,
yet.
it didn't. It's
No, I
still
didn't. It's
bearish.
still
There's nothing.
bearish. There's nothing. It's still bearish.
It's like we're just in a
Like we're
bearish
just
fair
in a
value
bearish
gap.
fair value
So
gap.
even though
So
it
even
looks like
though
it's
it
going up,
looks like
but
it's
we're
going
still
up, but
in
we're
this fair
still
value
in this
gap.
fair
So
value
we
gap.
didn't
So
flip it
we
yet.
didn't
So
flip
it's
it
still
yet. So it's
bearish.
still bearish. So running 2K.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
if it is,
I mean, if it is,
I was just
I
from
was
seeing
just
this
from
with you
seeing
guys.
this with you guys.
Yeah, but I might
Yeah,
go
but
to the
I
gym
might go to the
first, and
gym
then
first, and
I'll
then
come back to
I'll
the
come
crib.
back to the crib.
Let me one second, okay. Hold on. I'm
But
gonna just give
I'm gonna
price
just
until
give
like maybe
price
like
until like maybe like
10:15
10,
ish or
15
whatever,
ish
and
or
then
whatever,
if
and
nothing
then if
happens, I'm
nothing
gonna
happens,
call it
I'm gonna
quits
just
for
call it
today.
quits for today. There's no moon.
Nah, but I'm gonna still
Nah, but
trade
I'm gonna still
tomorrow. Though.
trade
Like I said,
tomorrow. Like I said, like
I'm gonna trade.
I'm gonna
I have
trade.
one of
I
like
have
my
one of
take
my
profit
take
accounts. I'm
profit
gonna just
accounts.
trade
I'm
that
gonna
every
trade that
day.
every day.
And then my
And then
Apex
my
accounts,
Apex accounts,
I'm gonna still
I'm
trade
still
my take
trade my
profits
take
when there's
profits
news. So
when
like
there's
my
news. So like
Apex
my
and all my
Apex
other
and all
accounts
my other accounts
combined,
combined.
I'm gonna use that
I'm gonna
with the
use that
news.
with
But
the
whenever
news.
there's
But
no
whenever
news,
there's
I'm
no
gonna just do
news, I'm
take
gonna just do
profit
take
so I can try to
profit.
get
So I
some
can try to
money,
get some money,
every day
every
or
day
whatever.
or whatever.
So that's literally how I'm
That's
setting
literally
it
how
up.
I'm
And for
setting it
me,
up.
I'm just
And for
taking
me,
one
I'm just
trade a
taking
day.
one trade a
That's
day.
how I'm
Like,
doing
that's
it,
how
one
I'm doing
trade.
it, one trade.
So like
So that forces
forces me to be
me to be
disciplined. See,
disciplined.
that's why I didn't
See,
take no
that's why I
trades
didn't
at
take
all
no
yet,
trades
bro.
at all yet, bro.
I'm forced to
I'm
be
forced to be
disciplined with my
disciplined
one
with
trade
my one
mindset,
trade
bro.
mindset,
If
bro.
it's not what I
If it's not
want,
what I
then it
want,
is what it
then it
is.
is what it is.
So we hit
So
here
we hit
again.
here again.
If you see, we hit
If
this
you see,
fair
we hit
value
this
gap
fair value
again.
gap again.
This is actually a really
It's
good
actually a really
reaction.
good
You
reaction.
see, like I said,
You
it's
see, like I
still
said,
bro.
it's
It's
still
like
bro. It's like
like that shit is
that shit is.
yo.
Yo,
Like I said, it's
like I
still
said, it's
bearish
still
because
bearish because
nothing got
nothing
flipped.
got
So even though
flipped.
it
So
kind of
even
looks
though it kind of
choppy,
looks choppy,
it is
and it
choppy and
is
sell.
choppy and so
It's just still
it's just
bearishly choppy.
variously choppy.
That's what it
That's
is.
what it is.
It's just
It's just
nothing got
nothing
flipped.
got flipped.
Really, I
Really, I
mean,
mean,
really, my stop
really, my
should
stat
actually be
should
up
actually be
here.
up
But even up
here. But
here, it
even
still
up
doesn't
here, it
it
still
doesn't get
doesn't
touched yet.
get
But
touched
I
yet.
think
But
it should be like
it should be
one,
like
two,
1,
three.
2,
The
3.
highest is right
The
there.
highest is right there.
It's
It's
just
just
really
yeah, it's
like
just
it's
really
really
like
messy
it's
right
really
now.
messy right now.
See if we could flip
See
this
if we could
again,
flip
right?
this again, right?
Like I said,
Like I said,
if I'm talking like
if I'm
if I
talking
was
like
in a
if I
trade,
was
I
in
would
a
want this
trade,
to get
I want this
flipped,
to get
right?
flipped, right?
Can I fucking extend this
Fucking
shit on?
extend this shit on.
Alright.
In the waiting game.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
trading
that's what
is.
trading is.
You took any
You
trades
took
yet,
any
Josh, or
trades
you
yet,
still
Josh,
just
or you
waiting?
still just waiting?
Yeah, I took a trade.
Are you sold?
Are you sold?
Yeah, so I got like
Well, like what, in the
Like
first
in
fair
the
value
first
gap,
fair value
or you
gap,
sold?
are you sold?
nah, yeah, nah. It was
You
like
can
the
hear?
You can hear?
I don't even know where it was. But I remember I sold.
Alright, this,
Alright,
okay, like I said,
like I said,
are you still in the
are
trade
you
right
still
now?
in
Or
the
you
trade
ready to
right now? Are
close?
you
Or
ready
you
to
ready to
close?
close?
No, I closed it already.
You got like a
You
little
got like a
profit,
little
like break
profit,
even,
break
or
even.
Yeah, I got a little profit.
you know, there's nothing,
There's nothing there for
from
me.
now.
From now,
Nothing there
that's
from right
there for
now.
me right now.
It's like real
It's like
messy
real
right now,
messy right now,
real messy.
real messy.
There's like a few
There's
more
like a
minutes,
few more
bro.
minutes,
I'll call
bro.
it
We'll call
quits.
it quits.
That's actually been some bullshit today.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
I mean,
bro.
this is what happens when there's
This is
no
what happens when
news,
there's
bro.
no news, bro.
Like, this is
Like,
exactly
this
what
is
I was trying to
exactly what I
say
was trying to
before. That's
say
why I was trying
before.
to
That's why
stick
I
to
was
my
trying to
guns,
stick to
bro.
my guns,
Stay
bro.
to my
Stay to
bias,
my bias.
so I can avoid
So I
this
can
bullshit
avoid
right
this
here.
bullshit right here.
No, but price is on
The
some
price is
bullshit
on some
today, bro.
bullshit
It's
today,
pretty
bro. It's
tough.
pretty tough.
You know.
You know.
And we create this
We
very,
create
very
this
rare. Price literally clicking.
price
I mean,
literally clicking. I mean,
small little tiny
small little
close.
tiny
I'm not even
close.
gonna
I'm
count
not even
that.
gonna
Like
count
price really
that. Like
clicking
price
off
really
closing
clicking
underneath
off
this
close
shit.
underneath this shit.
Come here, wait,
Come
come
here,
here,
come
wait
here,
again,
wait again,
touch it again.
touch
But
it
we're just stuck
again.
in
Like we're
between
just stuck in
here and
between
here.
here and
These
here.
two little
These
fillers
two
right
little
here.
fillers
This
right
shit
here.
is
This
not
shit
clean
is
at all.
not clean at all.
Get this little
Get this
little filler. This
There's
is two,
two 25
25,
two,
25 to
25 to
25,
25,
25,
25
2 Alright,
Alright,
touch the
touch
first.
the first.
The first fair
The
value
first
gap
fair value
again
gap again
for like the 10th
for like
time.
the 10th time. If it goes above the fair value gap, would you answer?
If it have, I want to flip
I
both
want
of
to
these,
flip
this
both of
and
these,
this,
this and
both of
this,
them. Like
both of them.
that would be my
That would
only
be my
option
only
to flip
option
both
to
of them.
flip both of them.
If it doesn't,
If it
then
doesn't,
I'll
then
keep doing this shit.
do this.
Mm,
Mm,
mm.
mm. Just consolidated.
Yeah, I was about
Yeah,
to
I
say
was
like I
about
might
to
just
say like
call
I
it
might
quits
just
for
call it
now.
quits for
Yeah,
now. Yeah,
it's really like this is like
this
this
is
is a
like this is a
terrible like
Barcode,
terrible
barcode, barcode, barcoding.
this is a terrible
It's a
range,
terrible
man.
range, man.
Especially
Like,
from
especially
from
you're
here
from
to
here
here, bro.
to
And
here,
we're just
bro,
like
and you're
fucking
just like
stuck in a
fucking
goddamn
stuck in a
box.
goddamn box. You've been doing this for like the past
Yeah, like
15 minutes.
basically
Like
where
basically,
versus
where
high.
versus high.
Shit, this high is
Shit, this high is
I mean, even you can even put
you
this
can
high,
even put
bro.
this high,
Go
bro.
from
You go from
950 to like
950
now,
to
like
like now,
past
like with
25
past
minutes, we're
25
just stuck
minutes, we're
in a
just
small
stuck in a
little like
small little like
small little
small
range.
little range.
There we go.
There we go.
I keep saying
I
there we
keep saying
go, but
there we go, but
like
like
we're not
we're not
closing, we're not
closing,
finishing
we're
the
not
deal,
finishing
bro.
the deal, bro.
Getting like a nice
Getting
little
like a nice
punch,
little
and then
punch,
look at
and
this,
then like
look
look
at
at
the
this,
weak
look at
price
the weak
action.
price action. Look at that.
Like I said, we need
Like I said, we need
some
some
explosiveness, some
explosiveness,
quickness,
some
some
quickness,
speed,
some speed,
some
some
volatility.
volatility.
This is not,
This
bro.
is not, bro. This is
It's terrible.
it's terrible.
Six, five,
Six,
four,
five,
three,
four,
two,
three,
one.
two, one. Oh my god.
That's tough. But what makes you think it's profitable tomorrow if there's no news?
You said what?
So what?
You're Luna?
No, what happened?
No, what happened?
No, I said that. What makes you think that's profitable tomorrow if there's no news?
I mean, you can
I
still
mean, you
trade
can
when there's
still
no
trade when
news.
there's
It's
no
just that
news. It's
it's
just
more
that it's more
susceptible to see days
susceptible to
like
see days
even
like
when there's
even
news,
when there's
John. You can
news,
still
John.
see
You
a
can
day
still
like
see a
this. You
deal
know
like
what I
this.
mean?
You
But
know what I
the
mean? But
chances
the
of getting a
chances
day
of
like
getting
this
a
with
day
no
like this
news,
with
like
no news, like
multiply. Like I don't know.
multiply. Like I don't know.
It's like all right. It's like Steph
It's
Curry,
like
right?
Steph
If Steph
Curry,
Curry
right? If
gets an
Steph Curry
open
gets an
shot
open
more
shot
times out
more
of not,
times out of not,
he's gonna make the
he's gonna
open
make the
shot. But
open
at the same
shot.
time,
But at
there's
the
gonna
same
be
time, there's
times
gonna
he'll
be
miss it. You
times
know
he'll
what I mean?
miss it.
He'll
You know
miss
what
the
I mean?
open
He'll
shot.
miss
Just
the
like
open
this.
shot.
Like
Just like this. Like
when there's news,
when
right?
there's
More
news,
times
right?
than
More
not,
times
there'll
than
be a
not, there'll be
volatile
a
day. But
volatile
obviously,
day.
there'll
But
be
obviously,
days
there'll
when
be
there's no
days when there's no
volatility. But more
volatility.
times
But
than
more
not, there'll
times than
be
not,
like
there'll be like
same thing with like
same thing
trading
with like
without
trading
news. Like
without
more
news.
like a
Like
lot of
more
times
like a
when
lot
there's
of
no
times when
news,
there's no news,
you'll get days
you'll
like
get
this.
days
But
like
you could
this.
like
But you could
sometimes
like
you can still
sometimes you can
find
still
decent
find
trades with
decent
days with
trades
no
with days
news.
with
You
no
know what I mean?
news.
It's
You
just
know what
like
I mean?
it
It's just like
increases
it
your chances
increases your
of
chances
getting better
of getting
trades when
better
you trade
trades
with
when you
news.
trade
That's
with news.
basically what
That's
it is.
basically what it is.
But it's not like
It's not
guarantee.
like
Oh yeah, I
guarantee. Oh yeah,
definitely won't
I
get a trade
definitely
with no.
won't
You
get a
know what I
trade
mean? It's
with no.
not
You know what I mean? It's
guarantee.
not
But you like
guaranteed. But you
yesterday.
like
Yesterday it was
yesterday. Yesterday it was
actually.
actually
Let me see yesterday. Yesterday was actually
yesterday
pretty
was actually
decent.
pretty
Okay.
decent.
Yesterday there was no news
Yesterday
at
there was
all.
no news at
So
all.
yesterday,
So yesterday,
you see, this was a
you
fair.
see,
This
this
was
was
a
a fair.
9:30,
This
so I
was a
wouldn't even
9:30,
use
so I
this. I
wouldn't
would
even use this.
actually
I
use
would
this right
actually
here.
use
Okay, this
this
was the
right here.
first
Okay,
fair
this was the
value
first
gap.
fair
You could have
value
entered
gap. You
right
could have
there, put
entered
your
right
stop
there,
right
put your
here,
stop right here,
and price literally
and price
took
really
off
took off
all the way up here
all the
just
way up
fine,
here
no
just
problem.
fine,
And
no
this was no
problem. And
news
this
at
is
all.
no
You
news
feel
at
me? Like
all.
this
You know
was
what I mean? Like
actually
this
no
was
news at
actually
all.
no
It's like
news at
price
all.
was
It's like
actually
price
pretty
was actually
decent.
pretty decent.
Okay, actually we closed
Okay, actually we
above.
closed
Here we go.
above. Here we
This is
go.
what I'm looking
This is
for.
what I'm looking for.
This is exactly what I'm looking for.
Exactly what I'm looking for.
Like I said,
Like I
I
said,
would want
I
price to
would
close
want
above
price to
here.
close above here.
Even though we closed
Even
already
though we
above
closed
here,
already above
two
here, it's like it's two
consecutive right back to
consecutive right
back.
back to
Just to be
back.
on the safe
Just to be on
side,
the
I would
safe
want
side,
price
I
to
would
close
want
above
price
here
to
at
close above
least.
here at least.
I mean, this is
I
really
mean,
too
this is
weak for me
really
to
too
entry at
weak for
all.
me
And there's
entry
no
at all.
entry
There's no
really.
entry really. So,
This stop is gonna be.
that's gonna be. I'm in the trade.
No, you know,
Yeah,
I'm waiting it out a
I'm
little
waiting
bit.
it out a little bit. Once it passes the first turn, I got fine. So
Yeah, that's not bad.
yeah, that's not
It's not
bad.
bad.
It's not bad.
Just want a little bit more
Just want a little bit
confirmation
more
from it. That's what I
confirmation
had
from
to.
me. That's what I had to.
If we could close above here, then
Close
I'll be
above
sure.
here, then
I'll take it.
I'll take it. Yeah, if I want to take profit, how do I take profit at the actual like price? Let's say at the actual amount of contracts at risk, rather than going below the contract to not
You
cancel
just
out the
close out
trade.
the.
You just
I mean,
close
so
out
if you
the.
put like
So if
five,
you
you
put
want to
like
take out all
five, you want
five?
to
Is
take
that
out
what you're
all
saying?
five? Is that what you're saying? Yeah, but if it's before it hits my take profit, I
You
don't
just
want to
press
risk like
close.
one.
You closed. I mean,
You just
by that point, you would
close.
just
By that
completely
point, you
shut
just
down
completely
your
shut
trade.
down
You just
your
close it
trade.
out
You just close it
completely.
out. Yeah, that's what I hate. That's
So
what
if you
I
want to
hate.
do
So
it,
if you want
then
to
you just
do
have
it,
to
then you just have to
just right click
just
and then
right
press
click and
allow.
then press allow.
I'll go on
I'll go
on the demo. Damn, I see.
demo.
If we would
Damn,
have
I see.
closed
If we would have
above here
closed
and
above
then came
here
back
and then
here,
came
I
back
would have entered
here,
that.
I would have entered that right there.
Man, we could
Man,
still
we could still
hold on.
still hold on.
Let me just monitor the
Let me
price
just
right now.
monitor the price right now.
And it's like we're gonna
And
hit the
so we're
first
gonna
fair
hit
value
the
gap
first fair
again.
value gap again. We bounce off that shit.
So like that's the main
So like
reason
that's
why I
the
didn't
main reason
enter
why I
here.
didn't
Because you
enter
see,
here.
if
You
there was
see,
no fair
if there was
value
no
gap,
fair value
price would
gap,
have no
price
problem
would
just
have no
continuing
problem just
higher.
continuing
But
higher.
just because of a
But
fair,
just
like it's
because of
like
a
another
fair, like it's like
roadblock
another
right now. That's the
roadblock right
main
now.
reason
That's
why I
the
didn't
main
enter
reason why I
because
didn't
of
enter
really this
because of
exact
really
reason.
this exact reason, bro.
Because there's
Because
something in
there's
its
something
way
in its
before getting
way
into its
before getting
high,
into its
and
high,
it's literally
and
this fair
it's
value
really
gap
this
right
fair
here.
value gap right here.
So that's why I'm gonna
So
just
that's why
wait into.
I'm gonna
If
just
once we
wait
could
into
close
once we
above
could
here,
close
then there's
above here,
literally
then there's
nothing
literally
stopping
nothing
price
stopping
at
price
all from at
at
least
all
getting up
from at
into
least
here.
getting up
Literally
into here.
nothing at
Really
all.
nothing at all.
So I'm
So I'm
just wait
just
it out a little
just
bit.
wait it out a little bit.
But this is still fine.
But
This
this
is
is
still
still
fine
fine. This
price
is still
action.
fine price
We just
action.
return
We
to the
just
first
return
wave.
to the
Wasn't the
first
fair
wave.
value
Wasn't
gap.
the fair
Nothing
value
wrong with
gap.
that.
Something wrong with that.
Come on with that. With the
With
halfway
that
point right there.
halfway point right there.
Bodies are so far
Bodies are
above
so
it,
far
which is
above it,
good. It's a
which
good
is
sign.
good. It's a good sign.
Yo, I think the call is about to end.
Word.
Right.
Alright, just
Yeah, it
Just like
says under a minute.
for. Alright, so I'm gonna just
so
start a new
I'm
one
gonna
real
just start a
quick.
new one real quickly.
This time I'm gonna give price
I'm
so I can
price.
I'm gonna give price till
I'm gonna
like
give price to
10:30,
like
but
10:30,
nothing
but
happens to me.
nothing
Like this
happens
already
to me.
like
Like this
30
already
minutes
like 30
after the
minutes
10
after the
p.m.
10
Like just like
p.m.
1
Like just
hour
like 1
after the
hour after
goddamn
the goddamn
oh now we want to drop.
oh now we want to drop.
This is price
This
action.
is price action.
Yeah.
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 Just a couple
We just
quicks.
couple quicks. Quicks.
There's liquidity right here.
There's liquidity right here.
Yeah.
See right here.
Sell side.
Sell side.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Price comes back into
Price
here.
comes
It's
back into
this. No
here.
fair
It's
value gap.
this. No
That's
fair value
rough.
gap. That's rough.
That's rough.
That's rough.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just
Yeah,
call
so
it
I'm
quits.
gonna just call it
Because
quits.
honestly,
Because
like
honestly,
even if I get it,
even
I
if I
don't
give
even
it,
want to
I
take the
don't
trade.
even want to
Honestly,
take a
like
trade.
I really
Honestly,
don't
like
even
I
want to
really
take a
don't
trade. This
want
would
to
be
take a trade. This would be
terrible. And even
terrible. Even
the
price
price could come down.
could
Honestly,
come
like
down.
we came
Honestly,
above
like we
here,
came above here,
came here, got
came here,
rejected,
got
right?
rejected,
And do
right?
you see the
And
bodies,
you see
bro?
the
Do you
bodies,
see
bro?
that?
Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Like that precision, bro.
Like that
Like
precision,
that's
bro.
one of the
That's one of the
that's
that's like
crazy
that's
precision, bro.
crazy precision, bro.
Like the body just like
Like the body just
respecting
like
it completely,
respecting it
bro.
completely, bro.
So honestly, price could
Yeah.
Honestly,
drop.
price could
It could. It's
drop.
like
It could
it
like
just
it
from
just
this I could tell
from
it
this
does
I
not
could
want to go
tell it does not
higher.
want to go higher.
I mean, it was
I mean,
struggling
it
to
was
go lower
struggling
as
to go
well.
lower
It
as
was like
well.
really,
It was
really
like
struggling to
really
go lower.
struggling to go lower.
No, yeah, I see. today it
Okay, no,
was
I now
Okay,
it's
no,
at
I now
no
is at
cap.
not
Now it's
no
actually
cap. Now
moving a
it's
little
actually
bit. You
moving a
see, do
little
you see
bit.
what I'm saying?
See what I'm
Speed
saying?
and
Speed and
velocity. Like that's what
velocity.
you want to
Like
see.
that's what you
Speed
want to
and
see.
I mean,
Speed and
forgot. There's still 20
there's
seconds
still
left.
20
I
seconds
could
left.
say some
I could
bullshit.
say some
But
bullshit.
that's what you want to see.
But
You
that's
want
what
to
you
see
want to see. You
speed
want to
and
see speed
velocity.
and velocity.
Price,
But
even having a hard
having a
time doing
hard
that today.
time doing that today.
5, 6,
5, 6,
4, 3, 2.
4,
Okay, we
3,
took it
2.
out.
We took it out.
Okay, now I can
Okay,
low key
now
see
I can
price
look and
starting
see
to
price
melt down
starting to
into
melt
here. I
down
could
into
actually
here.
see
I
that
could
now.
actually see that now.
Yeah, let's see if I
And
can
then
do
let's see
it.
if I can right now.
We could have fair
We
value
could have
gap
fair
right
value
here.
that right here.
4, 3, 2,
4,
1.
2, 2, 1.
Now price should
Now
drop.
price should
If the
drop.
price is
If the
really gonna
price is
do
really
anything,
gonna do
right?
anything,
Any
right?
decent
Any
price
decent
action like
price
this,
action like
it
this,
should drop
it
from
should
right here.
drop from right here.
The small little
The
fair
small
value
little
gap.
fair
That's
value gap.
exactly where
That's
price should
exactly
drop
what price
from.
should drop from.
If you can't do that,
Can't
then
do
shit.
that, then shit.
Okay, it's
Okay, it's
10:30.
10:30.
They're already kind of like
Already
peaking
kind of
its
like
head above
peeking
the
its
fair
head
value
above the
gap.
fair value gap.
Like this should drop.
This should drop.
I just low key want to
Just
see a
look, you
drop.
want to see a drop.
Kind of looks like it
Kind of
does.
looks like it does.
The bodies is
The
like
bodies
not
is like not
closing in
really
it
closing in
so
it
far.
so far.
Shit,
Shit,
so far.
so far.
Damn, that shit tough. Though.
We close.
Wait,
No,
we
this is
close.
actually
No,
not
this
that
is
bad. We
actually not
closed
that bad. We
underneath
closed
it. I mean,
underneath
so
it.
far.
I
I
mean,
mean,
so far, I mean,
see what this candle
see
wants
what
to
this
do. But
candle
so
wants
far,
to do.
this
But so
doesn't
far,
look
this
too
doesn't look
terrible
too
actually.
terrible, actually.
It's just taking a
It's just
minute to
taking a
drop
minute
though.
to drop, though.
That's my problem.
That's my
If anything.
problem there, if anything.
Take
Take
some
some
velocity.
speed and velocity.
Take this low out as
Take this
well.
low out as well.
Took this low out.
Took
Now let's
this
take
low out.
this
Now let's
low
take
out.
this low out.
Mm.
Okay, yeah, this is what I
Okay, yeah,
love
this
when
is
you
what I
see
love when you
that
see
little bump.
that
Yeah,
little
if it could
bump.
close
Yeah,
like
if it could
that,
close
yeah.
like that, yeah.
If it could
I'm
close
telling you,
like
if it could
that,
close like
price will
that,
even come
price will
take this
even
out.
come take this out.
Should give me
Should
a
give
little
me a
10.
little 10.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we go.
Now you just
Now
keep
you just
dropping.
keep
If
dropping.
you're gonna drop,
If
you
you're
should
gonna
keep
drop, you
dropping.
should keep dropping.
Okay, but this was
But
probably the
this was
cleanest
probably
thing
the
all day.
cleanest thing all
And
day.
this was such a
And this was such
really
a
really
really
tiny
really
little trade.
tiny
But
little
this was
trade,
like the
though. This
cleanest
was like
shit.
the cleanest shit.
From here to
From
take this
here to
low
take
out,
this
this
low
nigga
out,
take
and
this
this
low
didn't
out.
take this low out.
Yeah,
It's just,
I'm
yeah,
done.
I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done today.
I'm glad I didn't take
I'm
any
glad I didn't
trades.
take any
Today's
trades.
a W for
Today's
me.
a
In my
W for me.
books,
In my
didn't take any
books, didn't take
trades.
any trades.
Followed my rules,
Followed my
bro. So it's
rules,
a
bro.
W
So
in
it's
my
a
book.
W in my book. So
Check over this.
check over this.